She doesn't like the thunder.
I'm done. Allah. Good morning, Philippines.
And she also calls this country and the system a system of oppression. Do you see it that way?
And then she will grab my hand. Good morning, everything. Did you notice every time he get hungry, like every time he is like want more food, he attack his sister?
You ignore him, he'll get your attention.
Impulse reaction when Hubs annoy. Seems like he really is hungry and he's walking around him like he's like.
He's always really hungry.
Like, look, he's going back and forth, back and forth.
You've seen faces.
Look, he's crying. He cries, son. Ano naman yung paa ni Tommy? Lumaki na naman. Oh my God. Honey, what are you doing? Di follow you. Go back, Hanan. Go back yan. Sabi, go back. Look, they will follow. Look, look, look. Honey, they follows you. Honey, they're so hungry. Look. This is so funny. They're so hungry, guys. Tingnan niyo, guys. Hungry animals. Good morning! Good morning, guys. Yesterday, I wasn't vlogging. Well, I vlog sa GoPro. Harvest na naman tayo ng iskalyon. Matatapa na dito. Dito. Iskalyon. Happy iskalyon. Happy iskalyon. Okay na to. Okay na to. Okay na to. Madami na ito. Daming tomato. A lot of tomato. Lutuan natin si Tami ng itlog. Ang sarap talaga pag may garden. Proud na proud talaga ako. Proud na proud sa sarili, guys. Say good morning, everything. Good morning. Mama's harvesting food. What, you don't like the smell of scallion? You don't? I love you. I love you, Rox. Say good morning, everything.
Good morning, everything.
Oh, thank you, hon. Good morning, Vietnam. And yesterday, I'm not really vlogging because wala kaming ginawa. Tommy was so busy. He has some work to do. And I wasn't vlogging because, you know, I spend time in my laptop too.
Get warm water.
We don't have warm water.
So get your mind to get warm water. All you do is open one door. Yeah, forget it. It's too late now. We don't have warm water.
The early in the morning, yung dalawang pusa ko is nag-aaway. Hindi nag-aaway, si Habs ina-attack. Ina-attack si Dimples. Look, si Tammy, kinuhanan ako ng tubig. He got me water. We don't have warm water inside the house. Thank you, love. Tubig in the morning before anything. Yun yung hindi ko talaga ginawa noon. Pero I've been doing this for a year already. And may storm daw mga 10 o'clock. So mga few minutes later storm, and I don't water the vegetables. So hopefully it will rain, and if it's not, I'm going out to water. So yun. And my mister is still busy playing with Sudoku. Are you playing Sudoku, sir? Hummingbird, guys. Hindi nag-focus, pero may hummingbird. Look, gutom na gutom, honey. So hungry yan. Tama si Tammy, humidity is against policy.
너무 이죠.
Anyway, sobrang ginaw sa loob ng bahay. Maano dito sa labas, maganda yung parang Pilipinas lang ba. Pero humid, grabe yung humidity dito. Yung mga gulay natin, hindi ko nilagyan ng tubig kasi saya ng ang mais, ang taba. Ang tomato din, taba. Sobrang taba ng mga pananim ko. Pero nagtataka ako sa string beans ko kasi may pagka-dwarf. Nag-start na siyang namulak, nagbulaklak na. So, may string beans yan. Pero hopefully yung bunga ng string beans is hindi din dwarf. Kasi yung puno is may pagka-dwarf. Supposedly, like that. So, tignan natin. Look like it's not going to rain. Where's Dada? Come in. Okay, I'm going out. I just get in, and then I said I'm going out, and then Tommy said you just get in, and then now you want to go out. You're funny when I said you just get in. I'm loving too. You guys think that just Tommy? I'm loving. Which one is the lovingest? Lovingest. Which one is loving, you or me? I think I'm the loving one.
You are. Is that a fact?
Love?
Yeah.
Oh, I
I'm trying to
love.
get this W2 form.
Ito mag-harvest. Okay. Tatlo. Look. Harvest. Meron pang maliit dito. Bunga. Diba ang ganda? Aha, may harvest na tayo. Ang saya naman ito.
Peppers.
Yeah. Why are you going to shower?
It's disgusting.
Oh. I think you're planning to leave me. You're not going to.
I'm going to shower.
How can I use this? I can use this or something. Let me think, how can I use this?
Hot or sweet?
I think this is hot.
You don't even know.
I have.
wrong with that picture?
Let me.
Bite it and tell me.
No, go ahead, bite it. It's washed already.
Okay.
There is the name over there. Let me look the name. It's over there.
Bite it and let me know.
No, I'm not gonna bite it.
Just bite into it.
No, no biting, honey.
Bite into it and let me know.
So yan siya, guys. It's happy to harvest of what you planty.
Joker.
Honey, is that even it's just this one hand for now because it's just started. It's start blooming everything over there, but it's nice, right? Thing. What I'm gonna do with this thingy? Okay, bite. It's clean. It's clean. Is it sweet?
Blah.
Ta-da!
Huh?
Blah.
Nothing? No taste?
No heat.
No heat? Are you sure, honey? You just say that I will bite.
Try it.
This is the kind of pepper, guys, that you put in the soup. I guess this is
Have
that.
no flavor.
You know what I'm going to do? Is it okay with you, Han, if I cook shrimp paste here?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's harvest tomato. Tommy said, don't harvest tomato. It's still early. Harvest tomato. Maybe 2, 1. You know, harvest tayo, guys. Saan tayo kukuha ng tomato? Dito lang tayo kukuha ng tomato. Dito, may malaki na ba? May isa. Isang malaki. Meron dito isa. Isa. Look. Dalawa na. Dalawa. Yun. Kasi masarap ito. Iprito. And ito. Kuha tayo isa. Dalawa. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6, 7. Dito tayo mag-harvest. Yun, hala, nahulog. Look, ito siya, guys. Kinain ni Tami ito. Ikakat ko to and then lutuin with ang saya, di ba? Spring onion. Green onion, scallion, spring onion, they're the same. Yaon. Ay, lagyan ko siya ng garlic, guys, para mabango. So, decision tayong lagyan ng garlic. Para niya yung gusto kong ma-fry siya. Shrimp paste, Bob! Do you want some shrimp paste?
You just stick one on the wall and add them over there.
Oh, yun. Nice.
It's not as good.
Huh? Huh?
It's not as good. And then you said that maybe they'll stop over here on the weekend, pick up the food and come do it.
Why?
Let's see, maybe drop off the piece and have to check it.
Guys, it's raining. Oh. Kain tayo, guys. Look. Ganyan lang, guys. Not yet. Oh my God, ang sarap. Spicy lang siya. Spicy kasi ginamit ko, diba? Spicy siya. Sarap, guys. Sarap. Roxy is afraid of the thunder. Why are you afraid of rocks? It's just a thunder. Sarap ng ulam natin. Sabi ko kay Tami, I want to eat some sabaw ba? Sardines. Malunggay, ganun. Wala man akong yun lang yung ko at saka spinach ng tanim ko. Wala pa akong Sabi ko, ay, mag-ano tayo ito. Tara. Sabi ko, ay nako, patayin yung kidney natin ito. Hala, ulan na, guys. Han, let Roxy in. She doesn't like the thunder. Sarap kumain ng ganito ulan. Then, nakatingin lang doon. She's afraid of the thunder. Let her in.
I think yesterday too, I got
Sarap ng ganito, guys. Look. Ulan.
Rain and lightning, rain and thunder, you like your mom?
Ulan. You guys are idiot.
My mistake. I don't want to come out here after all.
And it's raining over there. Hey, look. Look.
I'm so cute.
Bahala ka, tabi mo eh. I'm going to eat, han. Bahala ka dun. Ang sarap ng tomato.
And the tomato, the garlic, the bell pepper, and the green onion. So nice.
I told you, try it, hon. You would love it. It's not really that hard. It will stop soon too. Very light. That's it. Sarap ito sa akin. Wala. Wala. And Roxy's alone. I was right. Takot na takot si Roxy sa ano guys, thunder guys. Grabe yung takot niya dito oh. Nakaupo ako dito lang yan siya. Takot na takot yan. Misty is okay. She's not nervous. But Roxy is. Dada's coming. Takot yan guys. So nervous, Han. Look at him. Look at her. Roxy. Go to Dada. Go see Dada. Go, go. Takot ka. Kawawa naman ito eh. Kawawa naman yan, oy. Go sit close to Dada.
She said, nobody's picking me up. I think I'm closer to the noise.
Baby.
And that's why she brought all the fancy stuff.
Matatakotin yun ito eh. Grabe yung ano niya ba, nerve niya guys. Nagsishake talaga siya guys. Nagsishake. Nagsishake ang baby. Uy, nagsishake talaga buong katawan niya guys. Her body is shaking, Han. We have a nervous breakdown, honey. She's shaking. Don't laugh, Mama. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. I'm shaking. Itong burger na to is nilagay ko sa refrigerator. So, muntik. This one, it's 8 total. I want you to cook it.
Okay.
And then we put it in there and then we can eat it anyway because it's a nice
Anything else in the refrigerator still?
That's it. Because it's a nice piece of patty.
Okay.
So
Do you want to just wrap them and put them in the freezer?
no, and then we forget it. It's better to do it because tomorrow I'm gonna eat it tomorrow.
You never eat burgers,
Lunch.
but okay. I'll see if you eat. Look at that face.
Seriously, honey?
Seriously?
Why are you avoiding me?
Where's the mirror? Where's the mirror?
Na ano ako hindi man nagagalit na ano lang ako nairita ba. Kausapin ko kayo ha. Ano lang gusto kong maging ano to? Bakit parang ang pangit? Kailangan ko na itong linisin ba? Gusto ko kayong kausapin about something ba? Biyanan ng kapatid ni Tami, palagi naming pinupuntahan. Okay. Palagi namin siyang pinupuntahan. Mag-isa lang ako guys ha ng gulay. Garlic, at saka yung pepper na hinarvest natin. Aray. Han?
Not my fault. You hurt yourself.
You don't even kiss me. Go away, ha. Don't kiss me.
Not my fault. You hurt yourself when you hit me.
Oh. That's why it's over there.
Didn't garbage just pick up today? You said don't kiss me. You just said it. Play back the tape.
Go away, ha. Don't kiss me.
Joker. I'm done.
Run away from me. Run away from me. Lako talagang buhay na to. Tuin lang natin muna ito guys ha. Ginaok ko. Okay, Han. No, that's not nice. Ay nako, talaga.
Talago.
That's your labi-dabi. Ay, nagpula. Na.
Talaga.
Ang sarap.
Allah. See what you made me do?
Gulay is life. Oh, diba, sabi ko na ano ako sa asawa ko. Kasi, okay lang man yun, yung maghatid ng pagkain, ganon-ganon. Wala akong problema sa ganon. Ang problema ko, ang pinoproblema ko ngayon at saka kinaano ko sa asawa ko is kada pag may gusto yung matanda, for example, yung matanda tumawag na kanina, and then sabi pa niya, daw kami. Pero ayaw ko guys umalis. Wala rin akong problema sa ganon. Pupunta doon, kakain, nag-imbita man, di ba? Wala akong problema. Ang pinoproblema ko sa asawa ko, na parang naging na-attach siya doon. Parang sabi ko, naghanap ka ng ng parang magulang, parang mama. So yun ba yung inano mo? At saka every time na magpunta ka doon, parang inoobliga mo akong kailangan kong magpunta doon, kailangan kong yung ganun ba yung feeling, yun yung feeling ko. Pero wala akong problema, pero yung na-feel, wala akong problema sa magpunta doon, hatid pagkaon, ganun, kain, imbita, ganun. Pero naano ko sa isa, na notice ko na parang naghanap siya ng ina. Sabi ko sa kanya na, pero gusto ko lang ipaalam sa'yo, parang kasi kilala ko tong matanda guys, kilala namin itong lahat talaga. Mas mabait pa yung biyanan ko kaysa dito sa matandang ito. So, sabi ko, okay lang naman. Pero every time natatawag siya at saka papuntahin ka doon, hindi na lang every time na magpunta ka. Kasi yung anak nga, sabi ko, hindi nga nagpakialam, hindi nga siya chinicheck dahil sa mga kalagayan ngayon, diba, sa COVID. Hindi nga siya chinicheck, hindi kinausap dahil sa $20, ganun. So, nagagalit ako is light. Kasi ako is iba ako guys, kapag palagi ko siyang pinupuntahan, lalo't matanda, ganon, parang kahit hindi ko siya responsibilidad, parang napipil ko na sa akin na yung responsibilidad, yung parang ganon. So sinabihan ko si Tami na, wag mo akong i-force. Sabi niya, pinu-force kasi niya ako na pupunta tayo bukas ha, kailangan kang sumama, ganun. Sabi ko, wag mo akong i-force kasi hindi ko yan responsibilidad. Oo, pasalamat tayo, inimbita, pupunta tayo doon, pero wag mo akong i-force na dapat kailangan talaga akong magpunta doon. Kasi tapos na ako, okay? Sa ina mo, okay? Tapos na tayo doon. Feel ko talaga kahit hindi kami magkasundo noon, feeling ko na ako yung responsibilidad ko talaga siyang bantayan, lutuan, ganun. As in, yun na yung ko talaga, parang papil ko. Sabi ko, enough na. Kasi, yung ina mo, yung parang yun yung feeling ko. Kasi kapag maklose ako, kapag palagi tayong andun, yung feeling ko is, responsibilidad ko na rin yung matanda. Kasi alam ko talaga yung anak niya at saka yung kapatid ni Tami, parang walang pakialam na ba. At saka yung matanda na yun, iba yung bibig. Grabe yun. Walang preno yung bibig na yun, makipag-away talaga yun. Iba yung kabiyanan, yung matanda na yun, makipag-away talaga siya, as in. Kaya yun din yung ina-avoid ko. And then, basta iba siyang klaseng matanda. Yung palingkira kung sa Pinas pa, ganun. Pero, mabait naman siya. Pero lang talaga, kapag may lang, kaunting bikil ba, sa Bisaya, magbaga-bikil lang kaunti, malaking away na yun. Saka ang bait naman nitong asawa ko din. So, ito na yung niluluto niya. Ito na lang yung palaging namin, burger. T-bone steak, kan. It's been a while. So, yun yung natin. Chika minute. Ito ko lang ilabas, guys, oy. Ganyan naman ako. Ilabas ko kung ano yung naramdaman ko. Ayaw ko maging feeling na ako yung taga-bantay or something. Kasi pag tumanda na kaming dalawa, ito lang dapat alalahanin ko. Si Tamimoy ko. Yun lang, may Tamimoy. Barbecue na naman. Saturday is Dorida. Is Dorida. Dinner. It won't show properly. Like dinner. Sarap ng steak. Hello guys, I'm going to end the vlog. And I guess I'm going to bed again alone. Because last night, so I went to bed alone. Because look. Kita-kits sa mga susunod na video guys. See you bukas guys.